Hello guys, I'm Neat. Welcome to Digital Dhanu. I'm come up with another interesting case study. This is, as you can see on the screen, this is our client GMB profile. So you can see on the screen, he runs a hospital in Andhra Pradesh and he got an issue with his phone number live verification process. So in this case study, we will learn about how our team managed to make his phone number live on his GMB profile. As we know that nowadays most people are facing the same issue regarding the phone number live verification on his GMB profile. So in this, we try to add the value about how our team step-by-step process, how our team made efforts to make his phone number live on his GMB profile. This client tried himself to got his phone number live but failed to do so. So he contacted us, our team, regarding the same problem. Let me show you that the first step our team followed, that it's a back-end process we have done on his profile, that the citation creation and some other shortcuts we embedded on his GMB profile. The second step our team followed that was that submit the request to Google support team. I'll show you. We contacted the Google support team regarding this business profile and this issue phone number. Next, we have to choose a fixed phone number doesn't show. Next step, email it through preferred contact option India, submit phone number review request for India. Have you already? No. Official representative? Yes. Guidelines? Yes. You have to put your first name, last name, and your email address, which you already should be your in your GMB profile, your business name, and your website. And I manage my business profile directly on search and maps. You should select this and you have to paste your profile ID. And let me show you how you can get the profile ID. And you have to go to your dashboard first and click the three buttons: business profile settings, then advanced settings. And here you can get your business profile ID. Copy ID and paste it there. Easy, I guess. Right? You have to submit, then you have to put your phone number and you have to upload documents. And the required documents, as you can see, that your business registration license, business license displaying your owner name, business name and business address, which is important. And utility bills like telephone, electricity, postpaid, water bills, you have to upload such kind of documents which is required by the Googles. Want to update phone number for 10 or more profiles? No. And then submit your request. So after submitted the request, our team got this reply from Google support team. As you can see, this response from Google, but before this number can show on Google, we need to ask you to demonstrate your ownership of the profile. So sometimes you will get such kind of response from Google team, and sometimes another kind of response. Some clients get this kind of response: thank you for contacting us about the phone number for your business profile, but unfortunately this phone number can't show on Google. In such kind of response, you have to submit the important documents in which your business name, your address, your phone number should be same as you put in on your GMB profile. So in this case, the relevant documents are important, like your utility bills, and this kind of document should be there. Your poster should be in which your business name and phone number and the address should be there. So after got such kind of response, our team replied with such kind of response. As you can see, our team made this document, poster is submitted in response. Let me share the another one. This 4 poster we submitted. Even after submitted this response, our team also contacted Google support team via call and explained the issue regarding resolving this issue. And within 7 days, the phone number made live on his profile. As you can see, the visibility, the call button is there on his profile. So in this way, our team made the phone number live on our client's profile. I hope you will get such kind of important information regarding the same. And for such kind of information and such kind of contact, please do follow our page and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.